Good morning, everyone. Let's start our today's computer class as we were studying HTML chapter, page number 148. Today we have to start from linking web pages. In previous class, we studied about the IMG tag and types of images that can be displayed on web pages. They were inline and external images. Inline images were inserted using IMG tag. External images were inserted using anchor tag A. And inline images were the images which automatically displayed as we open the web page, whereas external images were the images which do not automatically opens, but we have to click on a link to open them. And also we studied how to mention the source of an image. Three types of situations were there: when the image is in same folder where all other pictures are, when the image is outside that folder, and when the image is on internet. And also we studied about alt attribute, that it is used to provide the description of that image. If due to any situation, due to any circumstances, that image is not properly loaded on the page, so what will the text displayed on the screen instead of that image. Also the aligning image, we studied how to align the image to the left or right of the text. So today we will start linking web pages. In today's class we will study about how we can add link our web pages, and how we can link other pages to a web page. What are the link colors, what are the state of link, and how we can add the web pages through the links as button or using the images. So let's see. Linking web pages, page number 148. A website is a collection of web pages. Two or more web pages are linked together in a website. HTML links are also called hyperlinks. When we move mouse over a link, the mouse arrow will turn into little hand which represents a hyperlink. So first of all, the short definition of website is given. Underline this, that it is a collection of web pages. As when we open a website, we see many pages in front of us. So that particular website is collection of multiple pages. Those pages are web pages. So website is a collection of web pages. And on internet, two or more web pages are linked together in a website. Now that if we have to go on next page, we click on a button next page or next slide. So that button link next page or link next slide is used as a link between those two pages. So those web pages are linked together. In HTML, these links are also known as hyperlinks. Underline all this also, that HTML links are also called hyperlinks. So when you use Google, you have seen many times that there are blue colored links over the web page. So when you take your mouse over those links, it get underlines, and also the pointer turns into a little hand pointing on that link, है ना. So that mouse arrow converts into a hand pointing over that mouse. So all they are hyperlinks. Hyperlinking can be done for an image also. In HTML, links are defined with the anchor tag. So it is saying that in HTML, also with the text link, we can also hyperlink an image. Okay, जैसे हम link जब click करते हैं तो we mostly see that the links in blue color are the text. So in HTML we can also use image for the hyperlink. So when we click on that image, we will be taken towards the different web page or any other related picture. So in HTML, these links are defined with which tag? Anchor tag. Syntax: href is equal to the value. Click here, anchor tag closed. So the href attribute specifies the destination of link. Clicking on the link text will send you to the specified address. So this href attribute, as we have studied earlier, that it is used to mention or to define the destination of link. When we will click on this link, we will be taken to the particular mentioned address. So let's see the code once. HTML head title, that is creating text, title close, then a style type mentioned text slash css, then body, the background color we have mentioned green, style closed, head closed, and the body, that paragraph, and heading 2 style is equal to color colon blue, that the second heading will be in blue color. And what will be the text in the second heading, sorry, in heading, that 2 is the size of that heading. What will be the color of h2? Always be positive, h2 close, then h3 positivity can take you anywhere, h3 close, paragraph closed, body closed, html close. Next side, this is not visible in the screen. See in your book that the background color is green. First heading, that is any away in, like, always be positive, okay, that is blue color text, always be positive. And the another heading, that is positivity can take you anywhere, that is written. So this is the output of your code. Now type the following code in a new file and save with the name link.html. okay, so the given code you have to type again in a new file, and you have to save the given code with a new name, that is link.html, because we are going to create a link for the html page na, so we have to save it with this name. So the codings are html head title hyperlink example, title close, head close, then anchor tag href is equal to 1.html, click here, anchor close, body closed, html close. So now see the output. This click here which you have mentioned in href tag, this is mentioned here as a link. If I'll zoom this, maybe you can see, this is blue colored, as you see links on the Google, blue colored underlined by blue line, and click here, so it represents that you have created a link. okay, so in this way you can type the following code, and in the text you can write anything which you want to mention in the link. So in this way you can create a link in html page. Now the next heading is link colors. Following link colors appear by default on hyperlinks. As in the above picture you have seen that is blue color type. okay, an active link is underlined and colored red, means any link on which you have already clicked, that is active, so that will be in which color? Red color. Please underline in your book also with the pencil, that the active link is underlined and colored red, that link is underlined and red colored. An unvisited link is underlined and colored blue. So a link which you have not visited yet, अभी तक जिसको आपने खोला नहीं होगा, वो किस कलर की होगी? That is blue. A visited link is underlined and colored purple, means ऐसी link जिसको आपने खोल के देख लिया है, but that is not active right now, आपने उसको देख लिया है, that will be colored purple. So unvisited blue color, visited purple color, active red color. Active means currently opened link, that will be red color. So three colors are there for the link. okay, next is we can change the default color by using css, that is another property we will study further. Next is css and links. A link state can be divided into 4 category. So जो लिंक है उसकी 4 स्टेट यहाँ पे मेंशन है. फर्स्ट इज लिंक, दैट इज विजिटेड, सॉरी दैट इज अनविजिटेड, मीन्स जिसको अभी तक आपने देखा नहीं है. नेक्स्ट इज विजिटेड, मीन्स ऐसी लिंक जिसको आपने देख लिया है, देख लिया मतलब उस पर क्लिक करके उसके अंदर विजिट कर लिया है. थर्ड इज होवर, ये अभी बताएंगे सबसे आखिरी में. फोर्थ इज एक्टिव, सो अ लिंक दैट इज क्लिक्ड एट द मोमेंट, मीन्स जिस लिंक पर आपने क्लिक कर रखा होगा जो करेंटली में रनिंग होगा, दैट इज एक्टिव. सो एक विजिटेड, अनविजिटेड, एक्टिव. नाउ द थर्ड वन इज होवर. होवर का मतलब होता है कि कोई ऐसी लिंक जिस पे आप जैसे ही अपना माउस लेकर जाते हैं तो उसके अंदर उसके नीचे अंडरलाइन आ जाती है, आप माउस हटाते हैं अंडरलाइन वहाँ से हट जाती है, सो दैट इज़ होवर्ड लिंक। सो चार स्टेट्स हैं लिंक के, दैट इज़ विजिटेड, अनविजिटेड, एक्टिव and hovered. So hovered link is that link when you take the mouse over that link, you will see a kind of underline or any other such effects over that link. So that is the hover state of that link. Okay, so the following code illustrate the use of different link states. See the results directly. This is a test link in yellow color, then the next one is in purple color, and then the next one is green color. So in the codings there we had mentioned that a link color blue text decoration over line means there will be line over the text, and underline means there will be line under the text. So we have mentioned the over line, so the line is over that link. Visited, the color of that visited link is yellow, hovered link purple, active link green. So here we have changed the default colors of these types of link, as we studied in link color that active link is by default red, unvisited link is by default blue, visited link is by default in purple color. So here using CSS we have changed the color of these links. Next is linking web pages as buttons. So till now we were studying that how we can use link web pages using the text link. So now we can create link for linking the web pages as the button. So web pages can be linked as button using CSS styling. This can be done by using anchor tag and href attribute. So to do this also we have to use which tag, anchor tag, and which attribute, href attribute. So the following code illustrate the use of link as button. So let's once read the codes. HTML head style type is equal to text/css, as we have to use CSS to create links in button. So a colon link, a colon visited means we are creating we are mentioning property for which link, visited link. Background color yellow, color blue means the color of the text in the link will be blue, the background color will be yellow. So if that is a visited link, so it will be having a yellow background and the blue text. Next, padding 15 px, 30 px, text align center. Now we have mentioned here the size and alignment of the text. Next, display inline block means the button type of button we are creating, that is inline block type. Okay. Next is a colon hover, a colon active, background color red. So we are mentioning here the property for the link which is active. So the background color for the active link will be red. Style close, head close, body ahref is equal to 1.html, font size 30. Check it out. B close, font a close, body close, HTML close. So in this way we have mentioned using anchor tag and href attribute that what will be the background color and text color of the link, if it is visited or if it is active or hovered link. So check the output, that check it out, having background color yellow. Which link is this? This is visited link, because we have mentioned background color yellow in the property of visited link, and the another one is active link. Okay. Next is linking web pages using images. Web pages can also be linked using images to other documents. So in the above heading we were studying कि हम कैसे web pages को as a button link create करके connect कर सकते हैं. Now in this heading we will study कि हमें next web page को with the image यहाँ पर link करना है, कि means if we click on a image we will be taken away to the next web page by that image type of link. So type the following code in the file link image.html. Let's see that HTML head, title of that web page, image link, title close, head close, body. Now in body we will mention here the size of the picture and name of the picture also along with its address. So the size 20, color red, means the text which we will write beside the picture will be in red color, and what we will write, flowers. Next is the source of that image, flower1.jpg, means here we are mentioning the name of that image. Then body close, HTML close. Now let's see the output. There is the picture according to the mentioned size and also the color. So retell this topic. That's it for today. Further topic we will study in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.